While the default white background of Chrome is clean and minimalistic, you may want to customize your browsing experience by changing the background to an image or color that suits your personality or preferences. Luckily, Chrome allows you to easily customize the background with just a few clicks. Click on the pen icon. Change theme. You can select from these categories. Or you can upload your own image. You can also change the theme color. Or select your own using the eyedropper tool. If you want different theme, you can download one from the store. Here you have a ton of themes. After selecting you want, click on Add to Chrome. And it will be applied automatically. 3 dots. Settings. Appearance. You can add the Home button, which is leading you to new tab or custom URL. You can change where to show the side panel. You can change the font size as well. Or even change the font. In conclusion, customizing your Chrome background is a simple way to make your browsing experience more enjoyable and personalized. Whether you want to add a splash of color or a favorite photo, the process is quick and easy. So, why not give it a try and make your Chrome browser reflect your personal style?